and Andy could go in Leslie's room. You don't share it. Each will have one, okay? There's Andy. Alex, this is... What are you guys doing, silly boys? Silly boys. Leslie, you're tired, right?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
I'm not just
and Andy.
I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot.
You're hot? Just sit over there. Just sit. You're hot now? You're cold and you're hot? Oh my god, you're probably gonna get sick. You're gonna get sick.
I'm hot.
Should I go run? You run.
And it was still called Splash and Hard Gold, and I believe that was the last one I played as of late. So I don't remember exactly.
A bunch of same slashes, but no.
Andy boy.
Maybe not. I don't expect him right now.
Mommy, give you a hug. Just here.
Something else.
What's wrong? You're feeling sick, right? Well, you have tests tomorrow, okay? Your finals is tomorrow. You go to school. One more day, okay? And then, but can you sleep early tomorrow? You know why? This Friday you have a birthday party to go. You don't want to go, you don't want to go.
Yeah, but when you think about small acts, it's like,
But let me see what feels
body
better.
slam, maybe he learns hyper.
Okay.
I don't know if he does.
If
Rest.
not, well, this summer you can hang out at Drew's house. But we'll see. But do you want to do Thursday at Drew's house and Friday at Jeffrey's house? Huh? Are you going to promise me to study for your exam next week? You study Saturday and Sunday? You want to go see Drew?
He can dish out damage while take a lot. He can dish out a lot of damage, but it's like over
Okay, you think
time
about it
it adds
tomorrow
up.
if you want to go to Drew's
It's
house?
gonna be difficult to
Let's see how you
forget.
feel, okay?
Sweet.
It adds up.
You're such a big boy now, right?
Yeah, but I mean, even right now, small acts,